Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel Animoto subscription. If you have recently subscribed to it and don't know how to cancel it, then this tutorial is for you. So let's dive right in. Find the Animoto app, now open it. Then here you can find the option of settings at the bottom. Go ahead and select it. Then here you can find the option of subscription. Simply tap on it. Now here you can find the option of upgrade. And if you have did the subscription, you will see the option of cancel instead of the upgrade button. And that is where to select it. Simply tap onto the cancel option instead of the upgrade. I don't have any subscription, that's why the upgrade button is showing. And if you have did the subscription, you will get the cancel button. And that's it. This is how you can cancel the Animoto subscription. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.